Pretty easy. See if you can see it. Okay. So here we go. It's very simple. I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna do it, and then I'll teach you. And then I'm gonna teach you. Then I'm gonna do it. So you have a 3-stack, like this. Hands on the timer. And then you go your dominant hand, on the side you start on. You want to go place, 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 stack, like that, place. Very simple. I'm gonna do it. 2718. That simple.